Hi everyone! Today I want to show you my full stack playground project. The idea behind it is simple. This is my personal sandbox. Here I can test out new features and later integrate them into my real projects. Right now it doesn't have tons of usability, but it does include some really fun features. So let's dive in. The first screen is the login page. We can log in with email and password or just use Google. Let's do Google login. Here's my custom preloader and now we are inside the playground. At the top left, we see my logo. Next to it, a little panel showing the account email and a logout button. In the center, we've got a slider. It rotates through links to my GitHub, my Telegram, and my portfolio site. And here, a pause play button. Now let's switch to the stack page. Here I'll show you what's running behind the scenes. This project is built with Next.js, which gives me optimized images and app routing. For styling, I use Tailwind, my main CSS toolkit. Of course, the whole project is written in Typescript. All the data comes from Supabase, and for form validation I use that, which pairs perfectly with TypeScript. Animations are handled by Framer Motion, the code is stored on GitHub, and the deployment is handled by Vercel. And finally, if we switch to the last tab here, we can see my latest commits pulled directly from GitHub API. Next, let's open the About page. Here we have multiple tabs. The first one lists my current devices and the devices I plan to buy in the future. There is also a tab with some short personal information about me. And here's the education tab, where you can see photos of where and when I studied. But the most fun part here is the favorite section. This is where you get to know me not just as a developer, but as a person. Let's walk through it. Right now we are on the movie series tab. If I click on the title, a light box opens up with the poster of that movie or show. Let's switch to music. Here we can actually play tracks, and yes, you should be able to hear them. There is even a volume control on the page. Now let's check the countries tab. Each flag here represents a theme. When I click on one, the entire site changes its colors to match that flag. For example, let's pick Egypt, and you see how the whole site updates instantly. The theme stays even if I reload or switch page until I change it again or turn it off. Next up, my favorite food. Nothing complicated, just a small list of dishes I enjoy. Now let's click on Sport Teams. When I choose a team I support, its logo appears in the site background. And finally, the game tab. Here I've listed the online games I play as well as the sports I like to watch. Now let's move to the contact page. Let's switch theme to Egypt. Here you'll find a short text, a feedback form, and a links to my social media. This part actually reuses a React component from my official portfolio site. And at the bottom, a little surprise. When we click it, we get a mini game, the classic memory pairs game. Let's try it quickly. Next React, JS, React, TS. Done. Great. If I hit play again, the cards shuffle dynamically, so each game is different. The last section is real-time chat. Yes, it works just like a messenger. I'll open a second account to demo it. Yes. Let's type hi. And there it is, instantly received. Now let's reply hi back. Everything works perfectly. And that's the end of the demo. If you'd like to explore the project yourself, you can find the link on my official website. Let's go here. Scroll. Yeah, there is a link. And that's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time.